Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to attach a file on cards on Trello. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have files and want to go ahead and actually attach it to their cards. So be sure to stick around until the end just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. And so let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing we're going to do is hop onto our Trello account and then click on one of your Trello boards. So here I have a series of Trello demo boards. Let's click on this first one. And now here is where you're going to see your cards. Now, in order to actually attach a file on a card, you're just going to go ahead and click on the video. And then on the right hand side, you're going to see this attachment button. So click on attachment. And so you have a series of different ways to actually attach files to here. You can either actually go ahead and attach a file by choosing a file. You can also drag and drop the files to upload them. You can paste the link to the file and also show display text. And afterwards, just click on insert. So what we're going to do for this example is just click on choose a file. And we're going to choose this screenshot here. Click on open. And as you can see, the file is currently uploading and we've gone ahead and attached the file. So if you want to go ahead and actually delete the file, you can edit it, comment, download, remove as cover, or delete it. So with that, you just want to exit out. And as you can see, the file has been attached. So this is the best and easiest way that I've seen to actually go ahead and attach files to cards on Trello. If you know of a better or easy way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.